What's up, y'all? It's the Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk with Shoeroom. Today we have the Air Jordan 4 White Thunders. I have been gone for a little minute, and I had little Jamar fill in for me. He did a great job, but we are back in full swing, and this is what we're reviewing today. Before we get started, they did have a Yeezy drop on Adidas and Confirmed. We have a pair right here, the 450s. So how do y'all feel about this being the last Yeezy drop ever? I'm kind of sad because I don't have any Yeezys, and I really want some. Like, I'll take these. I don't really like this part, but I'll take these. I just need a Yeezy. So me, personally, I'm a little upset because I've never had a pair of Yeezys, except the foam runners and the slides. We do have the women Jordan 11 pink lows here. I'm going to get these for sure. These are really cute. Now we can get into the unboxing. This is the box, white and black. Of course, the size tag says black, white, and black. I heard some people are calling these the Panda 4s. I don't really know about that one. But, of course, just a black and white shoe. Got white right here. Got white behind the netting. White eyelets. The Jumpmans are white on the tongue and on the back. I just noticed that they be putting all these little things on the 4s. I don't like that. Like that little widow's peak. I don't like that. Oh, in the bottom, another white Jumpman, and then white right here. And then the rest of the shoe is just black. Even though it's just a white and black shoe, I still like them. I think they really, really nice. It's very versatile. It can go with a lot of stuff. So, you know, they dropped the red Thunders, the yellow Thunders. Now we have the white Thunders. Let me know in the comments what y'all would rate from 1 to 3. I think I would put the red Thunders, then the white, and then the yellow. I don't know. I think so. But yeah, this is like the 30th Jordan 4 they done dropped this year. I'm not mad at it. I actually do like the shoe, even though it's like just black and white. But it's still a lot of Jordan 4s, and I think they should just stop dropping so many. Also, let me know y'all favorite Jordan 4 of 2024, since they didn't drop like 1,000 of them. Just let me know what y'all think, what Jordan 4 y'all think is the shoe of the year. I still like the Vivid Sulfur women pair. I really like those. And I don't know, these might be a number 2 for me. But yeah, they'll be releasing in August. This is also a great back-to-school shoe, so I feel like everybody gonna get these, especially for their kids. So make sure y'all get these in August. This is the first early look. Definitely cop these. Like I said, great back-to-school shoe. August 2024. Full family sizing. Yeah, y'all, this has been another episode of Shoe Talk with Shoeroom. Make sure y'all like, follow, and subscribe. I'm back finally, so we will be pushing out a lot of content. Make sure y'all follow Her Souls. I will be dropping some videos soon on that page as well. Jordan White Thunder 4s.